Getting into another Silver Tempest pack here on Card Freaks TV. Let's get right into this. Hopefully, we got something good finally for this channel. I'd love to show you guys something great. A Metadite. Oh man, we're not starting off great here. A Dupe Hitter, a Pwn, Venonat, Smurgle. Oh, that is insane! I love the artwork on this. Oh my god, is that cool? That is a very cool card. Oh, and then the Rapidish right behind it, holographic. Oh my god. That is absolutely insane. What a pack here.